Why my DIY kitchen remodel failed and how LMR Remodel and Repair saved it. Every great home story begins with a dream. For the kitchen, that dream is often the brightest. A sanctuary for family, a stage for culinary creativity, the true heart of the home. But sometimes the journey to that dream takes a wrong turn. It often starts with the best intentions. The idea that you can save money, take control, and build that dream yourself. The promise of do-it-yourself feels empowering. But soon, the reality sets in. The materials chosen online don't have the quality you envisioned. But qualified help from a friend turns a simple plumbing job into a potential disaster. The design that looks so good on paper doesn't account for the unique quirks of your space. The budget you thought you were saving begins to spiral, buying replacement parts and fixing mistakes. The dream becomes a source of constant stress. The heart of your home is now a chaotic construction zone, stalled and silent. This is the hidden cost of inexperience. There comes a moment in every project gone wrong where a decision must be made. Continue down a path of frustration or call in the expert. This isn't admitting defeat, it's choosing success. At LMR Remodel and Repair, we understand, we've seen it before. Our first step is never to judge, it's to listen. We are interpreters of your original vision. Our job is to rescue that dream and place it on a foundation of genuine expertise. This is where the transformation truly begins. Backed by our core values, the chaos is replaced by order. Superior quality isn't just a promise. It's in the materials we select and the flawless finish we demand. Seamless professionalism means our seasoned team manages every detail, so you don't have to. Our commitment to your vision ensures the final space isn't just what we think is best, it's what you've always dreamed of. The result? More than just a new kitchen. It's a sanctuary restored, a masterpiece crafted with intention, the heart of the home beating stronger than ever. This is the difference between doing it yourself and having it done right. Your vision for the perfect home is too important to leave to chance. If you're feeling overwhelmed or ready to start your project on the right foundation, let's talk. We're here to craft your reality flawlessly. Don't let your dream become a nightmare. LMR Remodel and Repair is here to craft your vision flawlessly. Schedule your free design consultation today and let's build it right together.